Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our frosted mug.
Right after this. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with the 11-ounce frosted mugs that we do carry at Coastal. So let's get started.
Okay, well, we printed this off using our sawgrass printer. And we're just going to adhere it on here. And we'll use our thermal tape. And try not to overlap your tape over your image because it could cause some discoloration. And we'll slip it in here. We're doing 340 at 240 seconds.
And this is our BJ 870 press. It's a 4-in-1 press. So today we are using the 11-ounce, 15-ounce element.
Okay, and then you're going to want to remove your transfer immediately.
And be careful with this item because it is a soft coating. So it is very acceptable to actually peeling off. So you have to be very careful when you remove the transfer and just in one smooth, consistent motion. So now you have one personalized mug. Our product instructions and templates can be found online at coastalbusiness.com. See you next time.